What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing this. It's an electric paw chainsaw. So let's see what we have in the box. Right here we can see we have some safety goggles. We have some gloves. And I believe this is like a storage bag. And we have 2 batteries. We have the chainsaw here. And to be honest, I thought that it was going to be a little bit bigger. I think it's like 4 inches. But that's fine. We don't want it for big jobs. And we have the pole here. So we can extend a little bit. This is where we're going to put the battery. And this is where we're going to put the chainsaw. And we also have this piece so we can grab it and we have more control of the chainsaw. We also have the manual. Okay, and let's go ahead and put it together and let's put it to the test. Okay, so first we're gonna get this piece out. Oh, and one thing I forgot, it was we have the charger here for the batteries. And we have some kind of lube. And the good thing is that you don't need to use the pole if you don't have to. And we have another extra chain, 4 inches. If you don't have to use the pole, if you don't have to use it, you can just use the small chainsaw. You can just put the battery. Press on the safety. And so the batteries, to charge the batteries, you're gonna connect you're gonna place the connector here. You're gonna connect it to the outlet. And here we have a LED light that is gonna be red. That means that it's charging. Once it's turn green, that means that it's... Now let's go ahead and put the chainsaw to the extension pole so we can go ahead and test it out. So basically this part here, it's very similar to the battery. So you're just gonna attach the chainsaw. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the battery on the other side. And now and that's it, guys. Well, there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next video.